a slate, a clean escape again. Run like the wind. The present's gone, the past has never been. The firewood is spent, the daylight came and went. Now I'm just alone inside my head, and barely on the lam. In the hazy morning, she left without a warning into the great untold beyond. And though I was abandoned, she left empty-handed, just a rambler with a song. And like a comet, she's here and gone. It's a blaze of light and then the empty sky. At least I tried, at least I tried. Didn't I ever leave a mark? Didn't I ever see a spark? Didn't I ever peel the darkness off? Underneath the stairs, on the basement floor, behind a stack of records and a plywood door, there's a cardboard box with a coat of dust. I brought it from your attic with your other stuff, and on the side it says photographs and memories in black. And I've tried to avoid it, but I want you back. In this house, we believe, says a yard sign tucked beneath the cherry tree. And the white picket fence in a cul-de-sac where children play with friends. All the nice white liberals taking walks on the nice white liberal street. Harry smiles and says to Jane, he says, I don't see color, everyone's the same. While Jose is I awaken to the fresh snow. The smell of coffee fills the air, and the world is new again. I pick myself up like a pale ghost. I look to find her in her chair, but she is out of view again. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Mr. Newman, I'm assuming that you're looking for some humans. The brains are getting riper, but there's lots of work to do. I'll provide you with a manifest of all the new arrivals. I'm certain that there's something here for you. There's Alabaster, Leopold, and Maximiliano. Lawrence is a bargain, you can have him for a song. Oh, the places you will go with all the people you will know in the magical menagerie of souls. You will find your muse, your font of inspiration, with some minor contemplation, the words will write themselves in the darkest realm of shadowy existence, the strangest minds that we can breed. Looking down from 20,000 feet, the fields are spangled specks beneath my seat. As the mountains fade, the memories made, they all evaporate. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. The grand terrain is turning gray and cold. Late night Circle K, east side of LA. A mother with a stroller wanders in. A jug of milk and bread. $5.19 I said. She reaches for her purse but tucks her chin. I said, this one is on me. My daughter, she is 3. I know how hard the grind is every day. Way back from out of the dry lands, my grandfather's strong hands, they built this home, wielding an axe and a hand drill and a mountain of raw skill. He built it to last. Long days of work in the field, Little Miss Lovely Eyes, blue as the perfect skies of summer. Oh, the fleeting haze of August, clutch it tight inside my pocket. All those days just slip away so fast. Little Miss Lovely Eyes, oh, how the time just flies around us. They all say this time won't last, but it seems like a minute past. Now here you are, my sweet and charming girl. I would trade my gold away. Were there ever really better days? Or is it just a sentimental haze? A blanket safe and warm, a shelter from the stormy skies. The fights are all forgotten in the mist. The lonely tears are lost in the abyss. The grass is always green, the house is always clean. The smiles never seem to fade. Were there ever really better days? In photographs of sepia and gray, the family huddled tight beneath the perfect light of dusk. Stand before the camera and say cheese. And for the slightest moment we all freeze, with smiles open wide. We're frozen there in time, our sorrows hidden deep inside our minds. Were there ever really better days? Or are they just a mirror that we made? Stare it in the eyes, shatter all the lies, and then go into the